Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Jitsi Meet camera not working issue step by step. If your camera isn't showing video during a meeting, the problem is usually caused by device permissions, browser settings, another app using the camera, or an outdated browser. So let's get started. First, make sure your camera is properly connected if you're using an external webcam. Then check that the camera icon in Jitsi Meet isn't turned off. If it has a slash through it, click or tap it once to enable your video. Next, verify your camera permissions. If you're using Jitsi Meet in a web browser, click the lock or camera icon next to the website address and make sure camera access is set to allow. On Android, iPhone, or your computer, open your device's privacy settings and confirm that Jitsi Meet has permission to use the camera. If the camera still isn't working, close any other applications that might be using it, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, or another browser tab. I mean, most cameras can only be used by one application at a time. You should also refresh the meeting or restart your browser or the Jitsi Meet app. If the issue continues, update your browser or app to the latest version and make sure the correct camera is selected in Jitsi Meet's device settings. Finally, restart your computer or mobile device if nothing else works. This often clears temporary software conflicts and restores normal camera access, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Jitsi Meet camera not working issue and get your video working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next